I thank God for the gift of you in my life. You are the greatest gift I've ever had. You brought color in my almost gray life. As we start this new journey of our lives, I will do my very best to support you in every way I could. A small token to honor the memory of your most favorite person. Henry, alam ko masaya ka naman. Nasaan ka? Unti-unti ko na tinutupad yung mga pangarap. Napahal kita.
Lagi ingatan si Jess, ha?
Oo naman.
Magmahalan kayo.
Opo.
Put God on the center of your relationship. Kung may pag-ara ng family, tudloan ng kabataan how to pray, and trust the Lord in everything. Relax lang sa tanan nga bagay. Alright? I love you, anak.
Ano lang, just stay happy.
Yes, always.
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 Ikaw at ako
Ikaw ang nauna.
Pinagtagpo.
Siyang nagwagi.
Nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan.
Dear Ron, ever since we first met, your easy laughter, your kind eyes and heart, the way you hold space for the people you love, I knew there was something special about you.
From now on, Jess and Ron, your lives will be about giving yourselves fully to one another, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. This is what it means to love as Christ loved, a sacrificial love.
Kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas.
I promised to keep falling for you every day and always. The one I never dared to dream would be mine. And now, standing here, I know I've found my home, my happily ever after.
Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya.
Maraming salamat na nandyan ka sa akin lagi. na alam mo naman yung mga struggles ko sa life with my family, sa personal ko, na nandiyan ka pa rin, na hindi mo ako iniwanan hanggang dulo. I love you, mahal na mahal kita, boss.
Bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di pa aalis.
Iba lang yung paligid pag andyan siya. Parang
Basta't
mas
ikaw,
magaang, mas masaya,
ako tayo,
kalmado. Ganun.
Siya yung laging nandyan for me, to support me sa mga struggles ko. So parang siya yung nagiging sandalan ko. So yun, nakita ko rin naman sa kanya yung future ko. So that's why I decided na talaga na siya na yung mamaling ko habang buhay.
saktan. Puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad?
Jess and Ron never stray far from that love. Pray together, laugh often, forgive quickly, serve generously. That is love with the soil where your marriage grows and the fire that keeps it warm. Always choose each other, always choose God.
Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan, ngayon at kailanman. Ikaw at ako